Hey beauties, what's going on? Your girl Diane Pete's here with another beauty tutorial for RastAfri's Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch, and I'm going to show you how you can crochet it into a super cute up style. So let's get into it. This is the RastAfri Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch. First you want to get your braid base. Yes, now that you have that, grab you some Malibu Afro Kinky. There's different lengths. Today I'm going to show you with the 14-inch length. Here's the packaging so you know what to look for when you hit up your local beauty supply store. Let's get into it. Here's a little bit of details. Each pack comes with 2 full bundles. And on the back you can find out more information on how to keep up with RastAfri, different style inspiration, and more details on your RastAfri Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch. Alright, so let's talk about the braid base. I did a little bit of cornrow design because I'm going to leave some of the braids exposed, and then I'm going to conceal the rest of my braid base with crocheting of the hair. So I want to show you why I really love this hair texture. So it looks super natural, and although it does look super thick, it's weightless and lightweight. It's not going to weigh you down. I love that it's free of tangling, that it's not going to burn my fingers, and not going to be a lot of hair loss as I'm styling the Afro Kinky hair, free of snapping, and again you get 2 full bundles in each pack. Oh, you heard me right, 2 full bundles in each pack. So you'll need your hair, and you're also going to need a crochet needle. You can get it at any local beauty supply store, and I want to show you as you're putting it into your braid base, you do it open and then you close it. Alright, so now that we got that, we want to add some bling. So I got some RastAfri Jewels, and now we're ready to crochet the hair in. Section off some sections within my Malibu Afro Kinky hair and grab my crochet needle to prepare to crochet into my braid base. So again, I want this to look like an updo. So I'm not going to braid into the top of my braid base. No, I'm going to braid towards the middle because I want my cornrow designs to be exposed and shown, and I want it to appear like it's a ponytail updo. So I'm going to start crocheting a RastAfri Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch hair from the middle leading into the back. So let's do so. Super easy. All you want to do is grab your crochet needle, enter it into your braid base with the needle open so you don't pull your hair, and then you want to loop the hair into the crochet needle, close the needle, pull the hair through your braid base, and then loop to complete the crochet. Let's go ahead and repeat this method throughout our braid base, and I'm starting on my right side. So let's go ahead and you can do this with me and we'll do it together. Crocheting RastAfri's Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch into our updo style. And beauties, my bad. There's so many different styles that you can do. So perhaps you don't want to just do an up style like me, but really love the crochet method of the Malibu Afro Kinky hair from RastAfri. There's so many different styles you can do. I mean, for one, you can do passion twists, you can do faux locks, you can even do Havana twists. Those are so cute. Afro Kinky twists, maybe some natural braids like cornrows going to the back, updos, poofy ponytail, different braiding styles, twists, interlocking, and so much more. So the styles are limitless. So definitely have fun, get creative when it comes to using RastAfri's Malibu Afro Kinky braid, and I'm rocking the 14-inch. So the color that I'm currently putting in right now is 1B. My hair is naturally black, so I really wanted this to look natural. Like literally, my hair is cornrowed into a ponytail, and then I have my ponytail, which is quote unquote the Malibu Afro Kinky. Like I really wanted it to look and feel like it's my hair. So that's why I just got my true color, which in this case is 1B, but again, RastAfri has so many other colors. Feel free to get creative and choose the color that speaks to you. So now we're done with the right side. Let's go ahead and finish the left side. And you want to repeat the steps that I showed you earlier in this tutorial. Put your crochet needle to your braid base open, then hook the Malibu Afro Kinky into the needle, pulling the hair through your braid base, and then the loop you created, pull the Malibu Afro Kinky hair into the loop, completing the crochet. So let's go ahead and repeat these steps throughout the left side. And you're noticing probably as I'm crocheting the Malibu Afro Kinky braid into my hair, how natural it looks. Like what makes it look and feel so lightweight and so natural. Well, let me let you in on a secret. Of course, the synthetic fiber is made of Kanekalon and Toyokamon. It's non-flammable and it gives that natural, fluffy, Afro Kinky look. And you'll love to know that it's hot water friendly, super flexible, super soft, easy to maintain, and again, you can create countless styles. Here, one of my favorite styles is crochet. For one, your girl dime piece is always on the go. So I need something super cute, super stylish, but super quick. That's not gonna take so much time out of my day. I mean, look, just in this video alone, doing step by step, we're pretty much done with crocheting the hair in. And someone like me who loves doing my own hair to not only save time, but to save some coins, this is just such an easy, friendly hairstyle to do if you're a beginner, or if you're just a beauty that likes to do their own hair. This will not take too much out of your pockets, too much out of your time, and doesn't really take a lot of skill other than just crocheting, which is just super easy for anyone, whether you're a beginner or advanced. I'm just gonna keep it totally honest with you. Like, when it comes to easy hairstyles, for me, crochet is one of my go-tos. For one, it's quick, and two, it's gonna protect my hair. All of my hair is concealed by being cornrowed, and then I'm just crocheting, looping. I'm not super like tying it or doing multiple knots. I just pull it to the loop and that's it. For one, this hair fiber is super textured to where that's all I have to do. Some fibers you have to do multiple tying and strands, looping. You don't have to do this with this one. It's so full and the texture is so natural to where one loop is all you need. So here I'm just filling out this back area, and now I'm just going to pull out some of the textured sections that we did and crocheted in to give it more of a fuller look. But pretty much, beauties, we are done. And feel free to go back to your style. You may want to fill in, find some areas and make it more fuller. That's pretty much what I'm doing. I want to make it a little bit fuller on the top area because, again, the objective is to make my style look like it's a full updo. That's why I left some of my braiding patterns exposed, because I want it to appear as if my braids are going back and then it's almost like a braid out. The Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch is portraying as my braid out in my updo poofy ponytail style. So I'm just going to crochet some more of the Malibu Afro Kinky hair into this little area, and that'll complete my fullness of my style. So let's go ahead and crochet a few more sections. I mean, go big or go home, big hair, don't care. And let's crochet a few more sections of the RastAfri Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch into my braid base. And just some story time, I just love having the option to have options. And what I mean by that is like doing the exposed cornrow base method where you leave some of your cornrows out and you fill in your area. I mean, later on, I can go ahead and crochet some more of the RastAfri Malibu Afro Kinky hair into the area that I have exposed, making it a full crochet style. So I literally can change it up. I can switch it up. I can add more color. I can add more fullness to it. I can take some out. There's just so much you can do. So I always recommend first in creating your braid base to kind of think of those different things. Are you the beauty that just likes to do one style and that's it? Maybe sometimes that's really all your schedule and your daily permits. Or are you the beauty that just likes to switch it up? That likes to have the option to have options and not be boggled down to one trend, to one style. That's me. You can't see me right now. I mean, you see me right now, but you can't see what I'm doing as I'm doing this voiceover. My hand is up because that is me. I love versatility. I love expressing my hair through different hairstyles of how I feel, the mood that I'm in. So I just love having the options to have options. Not saying that I'm going to change the style, not saying that I may fill it in, but I just love having the option to do it. But what makes me even want to have this option to have options is that the style is so easy. Because if it was super hard or difficult, I would just do the style and leave it that way. But RastAfri gives me the ability to change it up freely and easily. So I'm telling you from someone that if you look at all my YouTube videos, this is the way I love to go. So RastAfri, you get 2 thumbs up. Super quick, super easy, and we are done with the crochet part of the RastAfri Malibu Afro Kinky hair. So let's go ahead and add some bling. I grabbed some RastAfri Jewels. First, we're going to start with some hoops. Super easy to install. You just open it and you close it into your braid base. So let's go ahead and loop and close the hoop into your cornrow. Super easy. So once you secured that hoop, let's go ahead and grab some more. So I'm going to grab another hoop and do the same on another braid. And let's go ahead and add one more. Again, you can get RastAfri Jewels available at your local beauty supply store. There's so many different types. Of course, you have the hoops, you have the studded cuffs, you have the gold-plated cuffs, silver-plated cuffs, and here I'm going to show you the gold-plated cuffs. Super easy to install as well. Pretty much you want to grab your gold cuff or whichever cuff that you want, and you just open it and then close it into your cornrow. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to add a couple in addition to the RastAfri hoops. And that's enough bling for me. We are completely done with the style. Knowing me, I'll probably add some more bling throughout the duration of rocking this hairstyle, but super, super cute. And just love the character that the RastAfri Jewels added to my exposed cornrow base. Feel free to grab as many as you like from the different styles available at your local beauty supply store. So we are all done, beauties. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to like the video by clicking the like button. Also, be sure to comment. Let me know what you enjoyed about this video and subscribe for more videos on the way. Also, hit that notification bell for future alerts and follow RastAfri at RastAfri Braid and their sister brand at FS_wigs. Oh yeah, me at DJ Timepiece. Thank you again, beauties, so much for rocking with me and watching my new tutorial on RastAfri's Malibu Afro Kinky 14-inch. Thank you so much, beauties, for watching my video tutorial. I'll see you on the next video.